Welcome, everyone! In this video, we'll walk through another use case, performing royalty calculations and reconciliations using the Excel agent. This Excel workbook contains multiple worksheets, including sales details, royalty statement, and payment support. Rather than manually reviewing each sheet and performing the calculations step by step, we'll instruct the Excel agent to execute the procedure for us. I've already documented the required procedures directly in the workbook, including how I would like the output to be presented. Let's initiate Excel agent, and we can reference this procedure documentation directly in our prompt. As shown on screen, the agent is currently thinking, meaning it is processing and executing the documented procedure. Once the agent completes its processing, it will generate a summary of what it intends to document. At this stage, you should review the summary to confirm that all required steps are captured correctly, and the output is as per your expectation. If everything looks correct, respond with yes, approved, or proceed. The agent will then document the results directly in the workbook in the requested format. While the Excel agent is running, let's briefly review what the agent is being asked to perform as part of this use case. Step 1 is to summarize the royalty-bearing sales amount before tax and sales quantity from the sales details worksheet, broken down by quarter. Step 2 is to reconcile the quarterly sales and quantities from Step 1 to the quarterly royalty reports in the royalty statement worksheet. Step 3 is to make sure royalties are calculated at 6% of royalty-bearing sales. The agent will calculate royalty fees by quarter based on the sales amounts from Step 1, and then reconcile the calculated royalty fees to the actual payments recorded in the payment support worksheet. As you can see, the agent started documenting the output in Excel. The output is presented clearly in a structured tabular format, including detailed quarterly roll-ups and reconciliations. After execution, the agent provides a summary of the steps completed. The agent also generates supporting Excel formulas, making it easier to trace each figure back to its source data. Any variances or differences are calculated automatically, helping guide further investigation where needed. One important point to highlight is that this use case does not rely on external supporting documents. Instead, it focuses on reconciling and recalculating data within the same Excel workbook. This demonstrates that the Excel agent can support not only document-based testing, but also workbook-driven analytical procedures and reconciliations. Overall, the task is completed far more efficiently, allowing professionals to focus on reviewing outputs and applying judgment, rather than spending time on repetitive groundwork. Thanks for watching this video.